If your Toyota RAV4 refuses to start and just makes a clicking sound, you are likely facing an electrical failure. Data shows that 85% of these cases are just simple battery or terminal issues. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to identify the culprit. Start by checking your battery voltage, cleaning the terminals, and inspecting the main ground strap for any damage. The most likely suspects are a depleted battery or heavy corrosion preventing current flow. If the battery is fine, you might be looking at a failing starter solenoid or a seized motor. Try a jump start or cleaning the posts first, but leave the starter replacement to a professional mechanic. Batteries are relatively affordable, but replacing a starter motor will significantly increase your repair bill. If you're still stuck, perform a voltage drop test or try swapping the starter relay to rule out a simple switch failure. Keep a multimeter, a wire brush, and a basic socket set in your trunk to handle these electrical gremlins. Remember, never force the starter if you hear grinding, as you risk damaging the flywheel teeth. Check your connections first and save yourself a tow bill. Thanks for watching the troubleshooting playbook.